Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's new Magic Grab to change an image completely using elements from a photo. I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva ambassador. Let's go over to my screen and take a look. What I'm going to do is go to Elements here on the left. And I decided, since it's close to Christmas, I'm going to use an image I tried earlier to demonstrate Magic Grab. Let's add this Christmassy image to my screen. Just click on it. And a very quick way of making your image fill a background is to right-click and then go to Set Image as Background. And if you do that, it fills your design screen instantly. And now I'm just going to click on the photo, go into Edit Photo, and here under the Magic Studio, you'll see Magic Grab. I'm going to click on that. And Magic Grab then goes and finds the most dominant image in the photo. And this is obviously the Christmas tree. And now I can just move it around as I want it, which is great. I'm going to move it and cover the cushions. I could have used Magic Eraser to get rid of those, but I thought I'd just cover them up with the Christmas tree. But that's how easy Magic Grab is to use. That's the first stage of what I want to do. This now will not let me move the background. So I need to duplicate it if I want to change the background that I have, which is what I want to do next. I'm going to grab this, put it onto my next slide. I'm going to go and find another background. Go back to Elements, and I want one of snow in the background. Again, I'll right-click and set Image as Background. You can see how quick this is. It's fantastic. And there I have my Christmas tree outside with a snowy background. To finish this off, I'm just going to add some text. And I'm going to use this, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. And there you have it. Just how easy is that to use Magic Grab to change the background completely, but take out the element that you want to. And you can use it with any of Canva's photos, or you can use it with photos that you've uploaded. I hope you found this useful, and if you'd like to know when I record another video, please click on the subscribe button below, and if you click the notify bell, you'll know when I've recorded something. Hope that helped, and I'll see you next week.